Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you, give you a basic idea or basic knowledge about LG split remote. You can see I have just recently brought a new LG which is dual inverter split air condition, and whenever you also might be brought this and you are very confused how to use this air condition or how to control this air condition through this remote. First of all, if you decide to reduce or increase the Celsius, for that you can make this temperature. For example, right now it is 18. If you decide to make your LG to 22 something, you can just increase just like this, and that's going to be automatically change it. If you decide to reduce, you can just simply click over there. And then first of all, you might be want to turn on swimming or turn off swimming. For that, you can see there is a swimming button which is help you to make your this LG to swimming. For example, if you decide to let's turn on swimming from down, you can see this is now appear this button, which is now the air will come down. If you make it again swimming, that's going to be go just like this. If you go again, make it like this, that's going to be in middle, and this again like this. It will be always appear this icon, and the air will be appear same in your remote or in your air condition. Let me make it just like this. Now you can see it's completely going to be swimming, which that does mean it's going to be just like this. If you decide to completely off swimming, you can again click now, and the swimming going to be completely off. Now you can see the swimming has successfully off. There is a not swimming, it is now in a one side. One thing's more, you might be want to make comfort air. What that does mean, comfort air means you might be want your air only flow in down or flow in up or middle. For that, you can easily click this comfort air button. Now you can see comfort air, it is in the up, so the air will be stay in up, and that cover is not going to be move, it will be stabilized in that position. If you decide to let this air coming down, you can again click comfort air, and that's going to be completely, you can see it's go down, and now the air will be in down and it will be staying down. And there is a more things you might be decide to make the reduce the fan speed. Is this LG air condition up to 5 speed you can make. For example, I would like to, now it is full speed. If you decide to make it reduce, you can click this fan speed, and that's going to be, now it's automatically, which is it will be automatically increase or decrease the speed. If you decide to make it fan 1, you can make again here fan speed. Now you can see it is 1, and there is also appear F1, that means it is speed is 1. If you decide to make it speed 2, you can again click fan speed, and that's going to be appear fan speed going to be faster. Also, one thing's more, you are in sleep and you would like to turn off that light, and you can easily turn off by pressing this button to turn off the light. Also, if you decide to in this my air condition, it's supported both cold and hot. You can also change the mode. This is the mode for you. This is the mode for like it will give you the cold air. If you decide to change it, you can make it hot. If you decide, you can see it's now it will be appear hot, and this is automatic, or it's only fan. And this is the mode for cold. So obviously I don't like the hot air, I would like to make it cold, so I made it cold. And This is a basic knowledge for your LG split air condition. When you buy it, it might be make you confused. Even myself, when I brought it, it make me very confused. So I hope it little basic guidelines will help you out. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.